o'n i'n teimlo bod ni in control o'r gêm o'r dechrau lle wedyn gathon ni gol buan, ma' nath hynna seto ni a wedyn da ni'n tueddu fod os da ni'n sgorio gyntaf, da ni'n weld yn hollol wahanol dîm ma'r rhyddid gynna ni chwarae dyn bach gwell wedyn a wedyn perfformiad ddweud hapus iawn, ddim wedi fewn 2-0 a wedyn eto da ni wedi siarad lot am cael clean sheets, mae rhywbeth da ni'n mynd i wneud digon o'n efo tymor yma, so oedd o'n neis i gael yna hynna fyd.
We were organised, hard to beat at times, and then literally with their first mistake from us, lose the ball in a bad area, and then they've hit us on the counter and showed their quality. And second goal, we don't get out to the ball quick enough, and then someone's run off the shoulder. But first off, again, at times I thought we played really, really well, and they certainly knew they were in a game. But they showed their quality. They're a very, very good team, and that was the difference today.
With a goal, Con shot, and I just thought follow it up, it might bounce out to me, and luckily it did. And first header in senior football, I think. So and then the assist, found myself in a bit of space out wide, and we always say get balls into the box. So just had a look, and there was men in there, so put it in an area, and good finish from Phil.
That was the difference. It was that final third, our final pass or cross or execution was not at their level, and theirs was very, very good. They've got some really good players. They invested well in the summer. They've got a really strong squad, and I'd expect them to be top 3. So it's not like we've played a bottom end Welsh Prem team. That they're a really, really good team, and I'd expect big things from them this season.
Pa mor bwysig fydda rhediad yn y cwpan i chi fel clwb tymor yma?
Mae'n unfarth, ar diwedd dydd, mae o'n un ffordd o gael i Ewrop. Mae pawb yn gofyn dda di TNS a bod nhw fydd probably yr her mwyaf os da chi'n dod ar ei draws nhw, ond rhan clwb, da ni eisiau mynd mor bell a da ni'n gallu, a sa ffeinal ac bod yr rhan o ffeinal o Welsh Cup yn huge i'r clwb.